Let's discuss cue card. In this video, we will learn how to explain a cue card. In Ielts speaking part 2, you will be given with a cue card and a pencil. You will have 1 minute to think and write notes. Then you have to speak for more than 1 minute, almost 2 minutes. So let's discuss a cue card. Describe a sports person or athlete that you admire. This is our topic. And if you look below, there are 3 bullets. Who is the person? What is or her achievement? And why do you admire him? First of all, look at the topic. Describe a sports person that you admire. This is in present tense. It means you will use present tense to describe this cue card. The first thing in speaking part 2 is to identify the tense. For example, if you have to speak on this cue card, you can say, I think sports play an integral part in our lives, and every person has a sports person in their life whom they admire secretly or openly. Today, I would like to talk about a sports person who has been a constant source of inspiration to me and the million of other people in our country. His name is Babar Azam, and he is a cricketer. He plays as a right-handed batsman. He is just 35-year-old and was also one of the youngest captains of Pakistani cricket team. He led the Pakistani team in all 3 formats of the game: one day, international, test cricket, and 2020 matches. He is also ranked one of the world's most famous athlete by the Forbes magazine. One of his greatest achievements was leading Pakistan under 19 team a victory in World Cup tournament. He debuted when he was only 19 years of age, and since then he has never looked back and broken a lot of records. From a personality perspective, he is an aggressive player with a winning attitude and strong commitment towards the game. Apart from sport, Babar Azam also does a lot of charity through his foundation, which works for better education and healthcare of underprivileged children. I wish that he will win 2020 World Cup for Pakistan and lead Pakistan to #1 spot in all formats of the game. So you can speak like this for 1 minute or more than 1 minute until examiner interrupts you and says you to stop. Then comes follow-up questions. For example, the examiner will ask, do teenagers like exercising in your country? So you have to give answer in 5 to 7 sentences. Yes, in my country, teenagers love to exercise. Many of them go for jogging in parks near to their homes, and some of them also join gymnasiums and sports clubs for exercising because it helps them in staying fit and healthy. Then examiner will ask, do you think physical education is necessary and why? So this is an opinion based question. I have already made you write some phrases regarding different types of questions. Yes, physical education is necessary because it helps us in staying fit and healthy. It also teaches us a lot about different sports and nutrition. With the help of physical education, we can learn the right way of doing exercise so that we do not injure ourselves during exercise. Question number 3. How do you think physical education classes affect children's development? You can see that these questions are a bit different from cue card. These are not exactly the same questions. You will say, physical education classes help children learning about their bodies and how to stay healthy. These classes also make them aware about healthy diets, which promotes growth among them. And next he can ask, what kind of exercise do Pakistani people like? He will say, Pakistani love to do all kinds of exercise, but I believe yoga is the most popular exercise in Pakistan as it is organized from here. Some people also like running, bicycling, swimming, and other sports exercise as well. Going to the gymnasium has also become a fashion among the youth of our country as they like to build strong muscles. This is all about this cue card.